This video shows you how to create your customer records within Sage 50 Cloud Accounts. First, we need to access the customer module, and from within here we have the option for either New or Wizard. The New Customer Wizard talks you through step-by-step entering the details for your new customer. From the customer details through to their contact details and customer defaults, and also credit details, bank account details, and finally an opening balance. The most popular way of entering your customer details is to use the New option. This will give you a blank customer record. The three key tabs to complete are the Details, the Defaults, and the Credit Control tabs. From here you can enter the details direct into the record itself. Those marked with an asterisk are those that are essential fields. So on our first tab we can enter the details for the customer, such as their registered address and also their contact information, and we may also want to add in email addresses. Adding an email address allows you to send customer statements and invoices directly to your customer from your software. The Defaults tab will have pre-populated the default nominal code and tax code that you have set up in Settings in Customer Defaults. These can, however, be amended, and these will pull through automatically onto your batch invoices and your customer invoices. We can also apply things like discounting and also add additional information in the custom fields. Next, we have the Credit Control tab. Most of this information again pulls through from where we've set this up in Settings and Configuration. But here we can change things like the payment due and the terms that we've agreed with the customer for payment. Save the record and you will now have enough information for you to process customer transactions.